We have team coverage this morning. Here with me in studio, we have Spectrum News political director Bob Hart. I'm also joined by constitutional law professor from Campbell University, Gregory Wallace. And at the Supreme Court, Spectrum News Washington, D.C. reporters Angie Gonzalez and Cassie Semien. We're just getting word in already from the former president and the president at this point. What are they saying?
Yeah, so when it comes, Bree, to the former president sending a message on his own social media platform, Truth Social, writing, "Big win for our Constitution and democracy. Proud to be an American." Also getting a statement from the Biden campaign. Today's ruling does not change the facts, so let's be very clear about what happened on January 6th. Donald Trump snapped after he lost the 2020 election and encouraged a mob to overthrow the results of a free and fair election. Trump is already running for president as a convicted felon for the very same reason he sat idly by while a mob violently attacked the Capitol. Bree, we also now know that there is a scheduled press call from the Biden-Harris campaign that is going to be on this very subject in just a short time from now. So it isn't all that unusual that we would get a reaction this quickly from both camps on such a consequential decision, but certainly we've seen in other cases that they might take a little bit longer before they formulate an official statement on something like this. But it seems that they may have been expecting the decision that was handed down by the court today. Bree?
Angie, let's talk again about reaction coming in from the former president and the president. They're already weighing in on this. Is there more opinions coming in surrounding them as well?
There are, and Bree, most of what we're hearing in terms of reaction beyond what former President Donald Trump has said, which he said that this is a big win for our Constitution and democracy, is some conservative opinions coming from members of Congress. Congressman Jim Jordan of Ohio, he is saying hyper-partisan prosecutors like Jack Smith cannot weaponize the rule of law to go after the administration's chief political rival, and we hope that the left will stop its attacks on President Trump. Also looking at a statement that's coming in from the Attorney General of Missouri. He wrote, "Proud of the work that we've done in this case and so many others to combat the weaponization of the government against President Trump." Again, we're also hearing from the Biden administration that they are focusing on the January 6th charges against the president, of course, the former president, I should say, and saying that this really doesn't change the facts of the case, the decision that we are getting from the Supreme Court today.
All right, Angie, thank you very much. I want to thank our Cassie Semien and Angie Gonzalez, Professor Gregory Wallace from Campbell University, and political director Bob Hart for their incredible analysis of this historic decision by the Supreme Court. And I want to thank you at home for watching. I'm Bree Driscoll. More news right now here on Spectrum News.